To make tikka kebabs, you'll need the following ingredients. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, ½ cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons tikka masala powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil, skewers, pre-soaked in water. Fresh coriander leaves, lemon wedges, onion rings. Instructions: in a bowl, combine yogurt, lemon juice, tikka masala powder, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, salt, and oil. Mix well to form a marinade. Add the chicken cubes to the marinade and ensure they are coated evenly. Cover the bowl and marinate the chicken for no less than 2 hours in the fridge. For best results, marinate overnight. Preheat your barbecue and stove to medium-high intensity. String the marinated chicken solid shapes onto the sticks, leaving little space between each piece. Place the skewers on the grill or arrange them on a baking sheet if using the oven. Cook the chicken kebabs, turning occasionally, until they are golden brown and cooked through. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the heat source and the size of the chicken pieces. Once cooked, remove the kebabs from the grill or oven and let them rest for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves or lemon wedges, and onion rings. Serve the tikka kebabs hot as an appetizer or as part of a main course. They can be enjoyed with naan bread, rice, or as a filling for wraps or sandwiches. Note: if you don't have a grill or oven, you can also cook the tikka kebabs on a stovetop. Heat a frying pan or skillet with a little oil over medium heat and cook the kebabs, turning them regularly until they are cooked through. Enjoy your delicious homemade tikka kebabs.